Hey guys, it's Linda, and today we're going to be looking at the top 3 features of the amazing Samsung Crystal UHD 4K TV. It has an air slim design with a center stand. It has dynamic crystal color and object tracking sound light. I'm going to pop over to the lab now to look at these features in a bit more detail. Now, this TV looks great, super minimalist with an impressively thin design that will just blend in so well with your at-home setup. I mean, this was created to look incredible from every angle. Not only does it have the impressively thin design, but it also has this compact center stand. Now, when I say compact, I mean compact. It is only 36 and a bit centimeters, which is incredibly impressive for a TV of this size. I mean, this is a 75-inch TV. So normally you'd expect it to have either a really large stand or a stand that has feet either side to support it, which means you'd have to buy a huge TV cabinet, but you don't have to do that with this. And you see, it looks just as good with the smaller stand too. Now, if you come around the back with me, you will see it's impeccably tidy. Usually you'd expect to see, messy cables bundled together, but this is very clean and very stripped back. With this TV, the colors are vibrant and true to life. Everything on the screen has a more natural look, and that's because it's able to produce over 1 billion different shades, which is 64 times more than what is possible with a conventional Ultra HD TV. You get really rich images from the dynamic crystal color. And finally, you also get 3D audio that follows the action, so you can track the sound across the screen. The virtual surround sound makes everything feel more immersive with object sound tracking light using AI and the speakers at the bottom of the TV to simulate overhead sounds and really put you in the center of the scene. To find out more about the Samsung Crystal UHD 4K TV, visit us in store, online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.